Good morning, children. As you already know that yesterday we have started explanation of lesson number 5, the Southern Plateaus. Clear? In that we have seen that the Southern Plateaus are towards south of which the Northern Plains. It is towards its south. It is triangular in shape. This Southern Plateaus is divided by which river? By Narmada River into two parts. By Narmada River into two parts. Which one? The upper one is known as the Central Highlands, and towards its south it is known as Deccan Plateau. Clear? This Southern Plateaus is bounded from both the sides by Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. Clear? We have started about Central Highlands. Central Highlands consist of Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau. We have studied about both of them. Malwa Plateau is bounded by Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills, and Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for minerals, is rich in minerals, that is coal, iron and manganese. Now children, we will come on Deccan Plateau today. It is the major part of the Southern Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies across the Satpura Mountains. It is towards the south of Narmada. It is bound by Western and Eastern Ghats. See children, this is Narmada River. It is towards its south, means this place, and it is bounded with Western and Eastern Ghats from both sides. A number of rivers originate in this area. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are amongst them. Now see, it is covered with number of rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, in this area many rivers are there. The Godavari originates at Triambakam in Maharashtra. गोदावरी का उद्गम स्थान त्र्यंबकम कहलाता है महाराष्ट्र में. It is considered one of the most sacred rivers of India. भारत में सबसे पवित्र नदियों में से इसका नाम आता है. The Godavari is regarded as Dakshin Ganga. The other name of Godavari is Dakshin Ganga. Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east and fall into the Bay of Bengal. Flow from west to east. Okay, now these four rivers, they flow from west to east and mix into this Bay of Bengal. Clear? Do you know why the reason why rivers flow from west to east? The reason is that the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. Since these rivers are not fed by melting snow, they often dry up during summer. इन्होंने कहा इसका क्या कारण है कि these rivers flow from west to east. They flow from west to east because इसकी ढलान इससे इस तरफ है. So the rivers come towards this side and they mix into the Bay of Bengal, and also these rivers are not fed by the snow. As you know, Ganga and all, they fed by the melting snow. It comes from the Himalayas. That is why they are known as perennial rivers. Means the water remains throughout the year. But in these rivers, they are not fed by melting snow, and that is why these rivers usually dry up during summer. गर्मियों के समय ये नदियां सूख जाती हैं. These rivers are rain fed, so they cause floods during the rainy season. इन नदियों में पानी बारिश से आता है, and that is why mostly they cause floods during rainy season. The land in the Deccan Plateau is uneven, and therefore the rivers form a number of waterfalls. Deccan Plateau की जमीन ऊबड़ खाबड़ है, uneven, and that is why there the rivers they form a number of waterfalls. Now one of the waterfall is the Jog Fall on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India. The Jog Fall is the highest waterfall in Karnataka. It is on the river Sharavati. Dams have been built across these rivers. इन नदियों पे बांध भी बनाए गए हैं. The Mithur Dam on the Kaveri is the largest irrigation project in South India. साउथ इंडिया में मिठूर डैम जो बना है कावेरी नदी पे, ये सबसे बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि खेती में पानी पहुंचाता है. अदर फेमस डैम्स आर नागार्जुन सागर डैम ऑन द रिवर कृष्णा, हीराकुड डैम और रिवर महानदी. द स्टोर्ड वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर इरिगेशन. जमा किया हुआ पानी खेती के काम आता है. द डेक्कन प्लेटियो हैज रिच डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ मिनरल्स लाइक आयरन, गोल्ड एंड माइका. डेक्कन प्लेटियो में भी मिनरल्स पाए जाते हैं लाइक आयरन, गोल्ड एंड माइका. कोलर गोल्ड माइंस एंड द हुट्टी गोल्ड माइंस इन कर्नाटका आर द टू फेमस गोल्ड माइंस इन इंडिया. भारत में 2 गोल्ड माइंस है. वन यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड, द कोलर गोल्ड माइंस, and the other is Hutti gold mines, and that is in Karnataka only. Clear? Some parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh lie in the southern plateaus. Now children, we will study about these states one by one because these states lie in the southern plateaus. Now children, let's study about its first state, that is Maharashtra. Now see in the map, Maharashtra lies at this place. Maharashtra lies in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. It has rich soil. यहाँ की मिट्टी उपजाऊ होती है. The Godavari and Krishna, the 2 rivers flow in this region. Most of the people, they are farmers. Ab which type of farming they do? They grow cotton, jowar, bajra. Again they have repeated cotton. Then groundnuts, मूंगफली, sugar cane and fruits like oranges, grapes and mangoes. Children, you all know very well कि Nagpur is famous for its oranges. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. This also you know it very well. Other important cities in Maharashtra are Pune, Nasik, Sholapur and Aurangabad. They are the famous cities of Maharashtra. Marathi is their main language that Maharashtrian people they speak. Now the famous Ajanta and Ellora caves are in Aurangabad. Ajanta Ellora caves Aurangabad में ही है. That is a famous city of Maharashtra. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Gateway of India Mumbai में है. The people are fond of music and dance. The people living over there, they like music and dance. Tamasha is the most famous drama that is performed in Maharashtra. Lavani is a popular dance. Tamasha is a popular drama and Lavani is a famous dance. Men wear dhoti shirt while the women wear a 9-yard sari tied in a special way. See, this is the Maharashtrian sari they wear. The most important festival of Maharashtra is, you all know very well, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. Is it children? Now see, in which they put the idol of Ganesha and they pray for 11 days and then what they do? They put that idol in water in Ganga. They immerse the idol of Ganesha in Ganga, in the river. Okay, have you seen this? A famous festival of Maharashtra. Okay, children, so today which things you study? You studied about Deccan Plateau today. Clear? Deccan Plateau and the one state of this southern plateaus, that is Maharashtra. We have studied about one famous state of the southern plateaus, that is Maharashtra. Okay? Clear? I hope children you all have understood it. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.